satagal. Adjective and its usage in Balochi language. En. En. In Balochi, when we describe anything, whether physical, emotional, gender, color, or any other characteristics, we can do so by simply attaching en at the end of a word. For instance, thin in Balochi means logar. To describe someone who is thin, we would attach en at the end. So turning logar into logarien. Logar meaning thin into logarien meaning a thin person. I'm gonna demonstrate more example below. So for example, old means pir in Balochi. Old, pir. The descriptive would be pirien. Pirien. For example, pirien mard. Pirien mard. Old man. Old man. Young, warno. Warno. Descriptive would be warnoien. 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 Example, warnoien mard. Warnoien mard. Young man. Young man. Black. Black. Siah. Siah. Descriptive would be siahien. Siahien. Example, siahien kaush. Siahien kaush. Siahien kaush meaning black shoe.